Hello friends and welcome back to USA Reality TV. Today's story is about a doll. But not just any doll. This one has taken the world by storm. From the crowded streets of China to the trendy avenues of South Korea, from Europe to the US, people are lining up, fighting even, just to get their hands on it. It's called the Labubu doll. By 2024, Labubu dolls had exploded in popularity, generating revenues of over $100 million. But this isn't just about a cute toy. Some people believe the doll is demonic. Others call it cursed. But what's the real story behind this mysterious doll? Let's dive in. Labubu wasn't an overnight sensation. The first version of the doll was created back in 2015 by an artist named Kazing Lung, who developed it as a character in a fantasy story series called The Monsters. Fast forward to 2022. In China, a collectible toy retailer named Pop Mart began selling Labubu dolls, and they became an instant hit. People were obsessed. The designs were unique, the expressions oddly comforting, and for many, emotionally healing. Why? Because it was a time when China was just recovering from the trauma of COVID-19. People needed something, anything, to hold on to. And Labubu became that something. But then came 2024, and the turning point. That's when Lisa, a member of the K-pop band Blackpink, was spotted with a Labubu keychain hanging on her bag. The image went viral. And just like that, Labubu mania spread like wildfire across Asia, Europe, and North America. People didn't just want the doll. They needed it. It became a status symbol, much like rare sneakers or luxury handbags. In fact, this isn't new. Many brands have used similar marketing psychology. Take the shoe brand Pace, for example. They used to sell affordable shoes. But then they opened a luxury showroom and priced the same cheap shoes at premium prices. People lined up to buy them, simply because they appeared exclusive. And that's exactly how Pop Mart played the Labubu game. Each Labubu doll comes in a mystery box, so buyers never know which version they'll get. Some dolls are incredibly rare, making the unboxing experience thrilling, even addictive. Collectors now spend thousands of dollars online just to get that one rare piece. The rarer the doll, the higher the bragging rights. And that's what turns a $10 toy into a $1,000 collectible. Labubu is no longer just a toy. It's a hype product and a social currency. But that's not the end of the story. As the doll's popularity grew, so did the controversies. Whispers began spreading online. Is Labubu cursed? Could it be possessed? Is it demonic? To understand this, we need to look at a mythical entity from ancient Mesopotamia, a demon called Pazuzu. Pazuzu is often depicted as a terrifying hybrid of man and beast. This demon has appeared in horror films, including the famous Exorcist series. And many online conspiracy theorists now claim that Labubu dolls may be linked to this demonic figure. Why? Because of an eerie episode from The Simpsons. In the episode, a strange ancient doll is unearthed during an excavation. It's sent to the Simpson household, where it eventually possesses Maggie, the baby. Now, the doll in that episode wasn't called Labubu. But internet users began connecting the dots. Labubu's creepy smile, its uncanny appearance, and the timing of its popularity. The theory spread like wildfire. Is Pazuzu inside Labubu? Whether this is just internet nonsense or something darker, one thing's clear: controversy sells. Even people who had never heard of Labubu were now curious. Social media took the story global. People searched for it, talked about it, bought it. And the company behind Labubu? They made billions. Sometimes these kinds of viral stories, both the good and the spooky, are seeded intentionally. Controversy becomes free marketing. Fear becomes fascination. And that's how even a toy can become a worldwide phenomenon. But one day, like all trends, Labubu will fade. Its moment in the spotlight will end. But by then, its creators will have already cashed in, and the world will move on to the next obsession. So, was Labubu really demonic? Or just brilliant marketing? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.